Do you put on a role, like almost like it's you're acting almost? Because me as a person in the DJ booth, I'm me. I'm here. I'm doing my thing. But when I have to get on a mic for like, if I'm doing a wedding or something, I'm announcing the bride and groom. I'm a completely different person, and I don't know if it's just I'm playing a part. It's weird to me, just psychologically, to think about how I can be this guy over here and this guy over here.
Somebody's listening to this and it's like, so Mike is one person here, here, and here. So who is Mike? And is he just wearing a lot of masks to show the world? And isn't that being disingenuous and inauthentic? And it might seem like that on the surface. But here's what I think. Mike and Ryan, you guys are complex people. You have many facets to yourselves, right? And you choose to show a different face to the world. For example, you have kids. Mm-hmm. So you're going to put on the dad face, and you have a wife. So you put on the husband face. And sometimes you're a teacher, sometimes you're a podcaster, sometimes you're the boss. And you have to be able to maintain and control different parts of energy. You're not most likely going to talk to your kids like you do to your clients. And you're definitely not going to talk to your clients like the way you talk to your kids. Right. So those are all you. So I have this theory that, we as human beings have so many different parts of us. We're like this brilliant white light. But when you filter the light through a prism, you can actually see it diffracted and see the red, the yellow, orange, green, and blue. You get to decide every single day.
Who gets to see what?
See what shades. And maybe when you're most you're able to open it all up. And that's probably to the people that you trust the most. Sometimes it's not even your life partner. It could just be 3 friends that you grew up as kids. And I know this about myself. So when I was around my cousins, and I had many of them, we would goof and be loud and just crazy. And we would have so much fun. We'd goof on each other, but we knew it was safe and nobody was going to judge us. Well, when I go to school, I'd just clam right up. I was worried that people were going to think something of me. It would take too much of us understanding each other for me to release my full self.
Yeah.
So what's happening is this. If you watch the trajectory of our show and who I've become, and people are like, you've changed so much. And I think I actually haven't changed at all. What I've done is I've shown you more of me.